Do you really need 7, 10, or even 12 steps to get glowing skin? Or is it possible to achieve flawless, healthy skin with just 3 powerful steps? Hi, beauties! Welcome back to Beauty Unlocked, your go to place for skincare tips, beauty hacks, and everything self care. Today, I'm unlocking the secret of the minimal skincare routine, also called skinimalism, one of the hottest beauty trends in 2025. If you're tired of spending money on dozens of products or confused about which serum to use when, then stay tuned till the end because I'll share not only the 3 essential steps but also secret tips and science backed reasons why this works better than a complicated routine. Do you know why we need minimal skincare? Skinimalism means less products, smarter choices, long lasting results. Complicated routines fail skin barrier damage, product overload, irritation, and there are few benefits of going minimal. Firstly, healthier skin barrier. If you are new to the skincare products, when you use too many products, especially ones with strong actives like retinol, AHR, BHA, or vitamin C, your skin can get confused. It's like throwing 10 different diets at your body in one day. It doesn't know what to process first. If you are new, minimal skincare helps your skin barrier stay strong because you're not overloading it. Remember, a strong barrier is the foundation of glowing skin. You just need the right products. Next, it is easier to stick to a minimal skincare routine is super easy to follow. Just 3 steps: cleanse, moisturize, sunscreen. That's it. No confusion, no skipping steps. And the best part, when your routine is simple, you're more likely to actually do it every day, morning and night. And consistency is the real secret behind glowing skin. Then comes budget friendly minimal skincare. It means you invest in just 3 or 4 good quality products and use them daily. It's not about how expensive your routine is, it's about how effective it is. Another benefit is it reduces irritation. Have you ever layered products and suddenly your skin turned red, itchy, or broke out? That's because some ingredients simply don't mix well together. Use the products that it can actually tolerate. Minimalism is like giving your skin a break and letting it breathe. Lastly, focus on essentials that actually work. This is the golden rule of skinimalism. Focus only on what really matters. Science shows that 3 essentials, cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen, do 80 to 90% of the work for your skin. First up, the most basic yet most important is cleansing. It removes dirt, sweat, pollution, sunscreen, and makeup. If you skip this step, your pores can get clogged, leading to acne, dullness, and even premature aging. For different skin types and according to its condition, there are different types of cleansers. If you have oily or acne prone skin, go for a gel or foaming cleanser with salicylic acid or tea tree. If you have dry or sensitive skin, use a cream or milk based cleanser that hydrates while cleaning. If you wear heavy makeup, do double cleansing. Start with a cleansing balm or oil, then follow with your gentle cleanser. Avoid harsh foaming cleansers that strip oils. Look for ingredients like ceramides, glycerin, aloe vera. Don't overwash. Twice a day, morning and night, is enough. Washing too often strips natural oils and weakens your skin barrier. Now, the second step will be moisturizing. The one step people think they can skip. Moisturizer helps lock in hydration and strengthens the skin barrier. Even oily skin needs moisturizer. Otherwise, your skin will produce even more oil to compensate. Hydration means foundation of glowing skin. Understand your skin type, and for dry skin, choose a thicker cream with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, or shea butter. For oily skin, go for a lightweight gel-based moisturizer with niacinamide. For sensitive skin, fragrance-free and soothing formulas with aloe vera or oat extracts work best. And use lotion for combination skin. Apply moisturizer on slightly damp skin after cleansing. This locks in hydration better. Here we go with the third step is sunscreen. It is the holy grail. UV rays are the number one cause of premature aging, pigmentation, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. You can use the best serums in the world, but if you skip sunscreen, it's all wasted. Use even you are staying indoor. Sunscreen are not only for summers, it's year round. The most important anti-aging product, SPF 30 or higher, is non-negotiable. For oily skin, use gel or matte sunscreens. For dry skin, use moisturizing sunscreens with hyaluronic acid or squalane. For sensitive skin, use mineral sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide. Apply a generous amount, 2 fingers worth, and reapply every 2-3 hours if you're outdoors. Mineral and chemical sunscreens work differently with unique benefits. Drop a comment if you want a detailed video. Okay, beauties, I promised just 3 steps, but let me share few bonus hacks if you want extra glow without complicating your routine. Now, some of you might ask, what about serums and toners? In minimal skincare, we keep them optional. But if you have a specific skin concern, you can add just one treatment product. If you have acne, use a niacinamide or salicylic acid serum. For dark spots, use a vitamin C serum. And for anti-aging, use a gentle retinol only at night and use sunscreen in the day. Your lifestyle habits also support skin. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep. That's when your skin repairs and regenerates. For hydration, drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily to flush out toxins. Coming to food, vitamin C and omega-3 rich foods for skin glow. Add skin-friendly foods like berries, leafy greens, salmon, nuts, and seeds. Do you know stress hormones cause breakouts? So practice yoga, meditation, or even just deep breathing. If you stress, you can't change anything. Instead, we get breakouts as a gift. So don't stress much. Remember, skincare is 30% products, 70% lifestyle. If your inside is healthy, your outside will glow automatically. Simple, consistent, and effective. To make your minimal skincare really work, don't keep switching products every week. Stick with one set for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see results. Always patch test before trying a new product. Remember, less is more. Glowing skin is about healthy habits, not just products. Skincare is not about looking perfect, it's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. And that's it, your minimal skincare routine for 2025. Just 3 steps: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Simple, effective, and sustainable. If you loved today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and join our Beauty Unlocked family, because every like and subscribe inspires me to bring you more beauty secrets and helpful content, where we share trending skincare hacks, beauty routines, and self-care tips every week. Until next time, stay glowing, stay confident, and keep your beauty unlocked.